Hurriyat Conference Chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq has denied that he had a secret meeting with ISI Chief Shuja Pasha in Geneva earlier this month. He says he was in Brussels for a conference in Kashmir but did not travel to Geneva as alleged.
The fact is that there is no basis as far as this report is concerned, because I did not go to Geneva, first of all. I had gone to Brussels for the Kashmir conference, and we had delegates from Pakistan who had come from the People's Party. We have Sharif Rahman, we had the former Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, we had the Kashmir Committee Chairman Maulana Fazl Rahman, and they all had come for the conference in Kashmir, a two-day discourse of the European Parliament about Kashmir. So that's the only leadership I met as far as the leadership from Pakistan is concerned. So all these reports about saying that I had a secret meeting in Geneva and I went from Brussels to Geneva and I met the ISI chief are totally baseless, and I think there are some agencies who are trying to deliberately link Kashmir with the Kashmiri movement with the agencies in and across. So this is a totally ill-founded report, and I don't know what the basis of this report is. I had specifically gone to Brussels for the European Parliament initiative on Kashmir, the global discourse on Kashmir, and we met the leadership from Pakistan, the political leadership, and in fact we were hoping that we would see some contingent from India also. But as I know, the Indian government probably did not let them to come to Geneva to attending that meeting. But we did not meet any official, any agency, ISI or any other agency.
Mir Farid joining me live from Srinagar. All-out denial there, Farid, but the initial reports seem to suggest that there was a secret meeting, coincidentally at the same time when no one knew where Shuja Pasha was.
Well, absolutely, Tamanna. Those are the reports that are coming in, and they suggest that Mirwais, who was in Brussels for a Kashmir conference between 2nd of May and 9th of May, in fact, travelled all the way from Brussels to Geneva and met Lieutenant General Shuja Pasha, the ISI chief. Now, Mirwais, as you know, was there for a Kashmir conference. He met several Pakistani leaders. He met several Kashmiris who are supporting the cause of Mirwais, or supporting the separatist cause here in the valley. Now, as you rightly said, Mirwais spoke 2 times now and he has completely denied any such meeting. But yes, I'm afraid this is not the last we'll be hearing on this, and in the coming days there'll definitely be some more things that will come out on this thing. But as of now, Mirwais coming out and completely denying any such thing. But yes, sources are telling us that this meeting did take place. It was a secret meeting arranged in Geneva between Mirwais and ISI chief, and Mirwais travelled from Brussels to Geneva for that meeting any time that between 4th of May and 9th of May, and he had that meeting. And as Mirwais spoke to us, although he's denying it, but as I said, in the coming days we may hear some more revelations on this. Back to you, Tamanna.